Want to change your life? Change your habits. But more importantly, change what your habits are telling your brain. Because your brain is always listening, always learning. And it learns not from what you say, but from what you do. Every time you hit snooze, every time you scroll instead of start, every time you break your own promise, you're not just losing time, you're reinforcing an identity. Your brain quietly notes, this is who we are. We avoid, we delay, we give up easily. But the opposite is also true. Wake up when you said you would, work out even when you're tired, write, read, reflect even for 5 minutes. Your brain says, we're consistent, we follow through, we're becoming powerful. See, habits aren't just actions, they're identity builders. And identity? That's the root of all long-term change. That's why motivation fades, but identity sticks. It's the difference between I'm trying to eat healthy versus I'm the kind of person who eats clean. One is effort, the other is identity. And here's what no one tells you. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You need one small habit, repeated daily, that tells your brain a new story. Start with 1 glass of water in the morning, 1 focused hour with your phone off, 1 5-minute walk, not to get results right away, but to cast a vote for the kind of person you're becoming. Because every habit is a vote, and votes build momentum. Momentum builds belief, and belief, that rewires your brain more than any motivational quote ever could. So ask yourself, what story do you want your brain to believe about you? The good news? You're the one writing it. 1 habit at a time, 1 day at a time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your identity transform.